Welcome back to JK McLeod. Today I'm working on a Ridgid wheelbarrow gas-powered compressor, model number GP80145SW. It's an older gal. I guess she'd be like maybe 10, 12 years old. Buddy of mine at work pulled the starter cord, and the cord came off in his hand. But in order to replace the starter, in order to actually get to the starter, you got to remove the tank, which is a lot more daunting than it sounds. You got 1, 2, 3. There's 2 more bolts here and 2 more on the other side. All right, the tank's held in by these little flexible lines. Don't pull them out too hard. Slide it away. Do your starter. 6 bolts in. Done. Here we go, part 2. Trying to work on this Ridgid gas-powered compressor. And trying to get into this carburetor is insane. Turns out that there's a little cut-off switch right there, fuel cut-off, and it was clogged solid. The fuel coming out of the tank, that works good. I cleaned it out. This little cut-off valve right there. Made a gasket because I broke it getting the old one out. Put it back together and hopefully she'll run. And here it is all back together again. As you can see, there's practically no clearance between the pilot valve, the tank, and the carburetor. So what I had to do is, after undoing these 2 nuts, I had to pull the studs out in order to get the carburetor off. Because I'm not taking that tank off again. It seems to be doing well. You know, the pilot valve has to be adjusted. It only gets up to about, I don't know, 70 pounds. Gotta bring it up to 90 or so, 100. And that small leak down at the distributor valve. Short of that, it's doing good.